I can't remember what it was for.
With allergy?
Yeah, I don't know who put it.
Hey, can I ask you what that is? I saw somebody have that thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
Welcome to the library.
Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Bags around your waist or shoulders. It must reach your 6 place above the floor outside the other big luggage. Finally, hold tight to anything or anyone you wish to meet.
To our valued guests, for more safety, welcome.
Hands all the way up in the air, my friends. Both hands all the way up. Keep them up. Hey, perfect. Just testing you for later. Enjoy your stay.
You are the passengers of an emotionally common elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone.
Shit, already making me sick.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest part of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Welcome back. Check out the business.
It changed it overnight. It seemed different from when I was last home.
Wait on Nana.